Good morning, YouTube. Back with another banger today. Today we got cars and coffee. It's 8:55 in the morning. Well, it's probably backwards, but it's 8:55. We met cars and coffee. It's actually my first cars and coffee I ever went to. I'm not where they at, but it's a lot of cars. You know, we had to park at a like a Time Thumb. So I'm gonna probably show y'all a few cars while I'm walking over there. So walk to it. First cars. And this not even like the real, you know what I'm saying, car thing. This is where people parking at. Scatty. Beamer. Alright. Mustang lined up. Porsche. Panera Turbo. I don't know how to say that. Scatty. Marrow. Green, I like that green. They come and heat up here. Got the bikes. Last time I seen him in traffic. Another bike. Rich Ron, what's up, my boy? Bro, I seen. I don't know if you seen my car yet. Nah, I ain't seen it. Green Porsche. Man, you know it's green too, so damn near might have to. I don't fuck with Porsche like that.
I was talking to myself about that. I'm like, bro, I don't care how much money I get. Like, I think I would get like a C6 GR1
type
shit. Like a Lamborghini.
Exactly.
C7, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Those was like childhood dream cars, you know?
Yeah.
Once you get older, you kind of grow out of it. Nah, this some shit I'd probably get. I ain't gonna lie. This shit hard. Got to. I can leave the house every time through water. Stay hydrated. This is hard. This bitch moving. Damn. What's this big ass one? Oh man. Got this little drift car. Out of the Hellfire. Got the interior to match. Man, for real. Here go the exotics.
Just.
Man.
Cars and Coffee music's brought to you by Austin B7, 14-year-old DJ touring the nation. Just a little FYI, if you're parked over at the Cotton Patch, they will tow. If you're parked at the Cotton Patch, they will tow.
Viper is hard, bro. Ah, this is clean. He got the blue too. I like this. Yeah, this green is stupid. Lotus. Got the orange. They got the McLaren with the doors open. Well, this might be the thumbnail. Oh, yeah, it's hard. Now this part, I like this.
That was the Ferrari.
Man, with the doors on it. Porsche. Line up. I don't want to get a quick picture. And then the sun coming out. Viper, flash. That's one.
You're gonna be gone. Like I already told my dad. That's been 3 days home. Well, I'm like, it's 90 days. 55, 90 days.
I really don't like Z's, but this one hard. I can't lie, this one clean. Excuse me. The other one.
I wouldn't think it's too far off. Not too much to get it up there to the
Mopars and Meros, American Muscle. Daytona. Demon, this is Demon. Excuse me. Red Eye. That's Z06, this Z06, alright. This color so damn plain. If I could, I would. I will one day. Now, no challenge. Well, no, I'll probably do a challenge. I fuck with the challenge. I don't put this on.
The LS Swap supercar.
Where? Down this aisle right here? Look at that GTR. Look at the material. Ain't no fucking way. LS swap. LS. Yep, Chevy motor. On the supercar. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. On this thing right here. That's crazy. Something you probably won't see again. Got the C8 right here. This C8 clean too. Alright, they blocking the way. God damn it, I gotta go around. Ah, damn, that, oh, I did look at it already. Before you go. Oh, yeah, that's some one-to-one shit right there. Yeah, clean. Got the old school vet right here. It's that vet that Chris Tucker had in Rush Hour, I think. Nice. E7 bucket. Coming soon.
All the way down to the chrome.
AMG, that's the AMG I want. If that's the GT63, that's what I want. Got a drop top stain with a whipple on it. That bitch sound good. What do you got?
He got like, I think he got like 5,000 miles. He bought that boy right up the trailer and got it still.
For real?
And that mammoth over there.
Oh, yeah, I seen him pulling in. I want to see what this Mammoth about. This might be the thumbnail. Hennessy Performance. Huh?
That's where you'll see.
Man.
In gray.
No, for real. Mammoth. Yeah, I see him pulling in. I ain't gonna lie, y'all almost feel. They got some heat up here though. There it goes. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This, when I get to where I want to be, bro. When I get to where I want to be, this will be in my garage. It will be. I promise y'all. I might get it in white, low key though, either black or white. This will be in my garage. I promise y'all that. Mark my words. This is beginning. I thought these niggas were holding hands. I was about to say, oh, nah, I can't put that on the channel. American Muscle, this is. Yeah. Damn, this shit smoking. Yeah. The fuck is that? Got the damn. I ain't gonna lie, I like ZL1. It's just ZL1, I like ZL1. ZL1 could be put in the garage too. I'm Mopar. I'm low key a Chevy guy too, y'all. Behind Mopar, I'm still a Chevy dude in a way. I just don't like it. Speaking of it, look, I think I would walk right past this. Oh, my bad. Oh, they got the monkey driving. What the hell? drive that motherfucker. Big ass truck. It's clean though at the same time, you know? Man. Yeah, that shit hard. Yeah, I'm
I think
fine.
the documents have no sign. There we go.
That ass tires, man. I see it. It's going in the garage. Oh, I ain't peeped that. Damn. The hood I did peep. I ain't peeping on the back. I like how the feet is. Fake Texas.
Like, I would get this over a Lamborghini.
No, for real.
I don't know. That's it. Don't get me wrong, Lamborghinis are hard.
They
But I feel like I know more of the cars. I can't get a car I don't know.
Right. That's true. If I give it a Lamborghini.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turn shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?